Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a free gift on Ulta using our phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, when Ulta has a free gift, you will usually see it on the home page or a product page or under offers. Tap the free gift offer to open it. Read the details carefully. Most free gifts require you to spend a certain amount. Now tap add to bag on the gift. This step is very important. Free gift do not always add automatically. Next, add your regular items to your shopping bag until you meet the required amount. Now tap the bag icon to view your cart. Scroll down and check your cart. You should see the free gift listed with a price of $0. If you don't see it, double check that you meet the spending amount. You added the free gift to your bag. This offer is still active. Once everything looks good, tap checkout. Finish checking out like normal. And that's it. That's how you add a free gift on Ulta using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.